Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is a bibingka from Bisaya. Bibingka commonly refers to a baked rice cake from Philippines that is cooked in a terracotta oven lined with banana leaves, usually served as a snacks, especially during Christmas season. Bibingka Bisaya, compared to other bibingka, is easy to make with the simple ingredients that is probably staple to your pantry. Let's start by washing the rice with water until water becomes clear to remove excess starch, and then soak it in at least 6 hours to overnight.
The next day.
After soaking for overnight, then wash and drain the water. After draining, put the rice in a blender or a food processor to grind. Then add the milk. I added evaporated milk, not coconut milk, as an alternative to make it more creamier. But you can still put coconut milk, just use the coconut cream or kakang gata. Then I added the salt. Blend until finely grind. I added the 1 packet of instant cheese or 7 gram and the white sugar to blend well with the mixture. After blending well the mixtures, then strain it to make sure that everything is finely grind. Then proof the rice mixture for an hour. Since it's a cold season here, I put the mixture in an oven off, but turning on the light only to keep it warm. While waiting for the rice mixture, let's prepare the banana leaves and the molder. Cut the banana leaves before passing to the heat to be pliable, and then line the banana leaves in a terracotta molder and then cut. After an hour, mix the mixture with a wire whisk to remove some bubbles, and then add the baking powder and set it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I transfer the mixture in a measuring cups glass for easy pouring the mixture in each molder. Then fill each prepared molder with the mixture. Then top with young coconut meat or buko and cheese of your choice. I use our Filipino Eden cheese, but you can also use other brand of cheese. I preheat the oven in 400 degree Fahrenheit. While waiting, I prepared the melted butter with annatto powder. I bake the bibingka with terracotta molder in 25 to 30 minutes. With metal molder, it only takes 15 to 20 minutes. Of course, depending how brown you like your bibingka is. And then after baking, brush it with the prepared melted butter with annatto powder. I made 12 pieces of Bingka Bisaya in this recipe. Our taster for the week is my friend Ate Joanne Trevino. Hello, Kayami! Hello, friends! I'm Vilma. With me is Ate Jo, my friend. She's from Bisaya and we're going to eat this bibingka. Actually, this bibingka is a Bisayan bibingka. Okay?
Okay.
So, also, actually, I like the toasted.
Sarap. Ang sarap.
So creamy.
So delicious.
Lami.
Lami kaayo. Mga Bisaya.
Your grandma is also doing business on that, ate? Wow, talaga.
Yung traditional na bibingka, yung lagyan ng
Up and
up and
down.
down na mayroong coconut husk na iluluto. Yung ganyan.
This bingka is, it has cheese and buko meat or young coconut meat. Not a usual bibingka from Manila. Actually, some bibingka in Manila, they're using all-purpose flour. But the traditional bibingka, they're using galapong or rice. Right, ate? Rice. Wow. Sarap. Eat the top, ate. It has a cheese. Hidden cheese. Take a look. What can you say, ate?
It's yummy.
The texture. Masarap. It's good. And the good thing of making your own bibingka, you can control the sweetness too. How's the sweetness?
It's good. Malambok ta ani Bisaya.
Kayami, you need to make this as a dessert on Christmas Day. Try this.
Malapit nang maubos oh.
Oh yeah. Saig na saig. Okay. Do you want to say something, ate? Or greet your fellow Bisaya in later?
Mga Bisaya sa Olmo. Di ako diri balay sa akong amiga. Ning kaon lag bibingka.
It's good. Good for hot cocoa, right?
Sikwate. In Bisaya, sikwate.
Sikwate
Lami
ang
sa
cocoa.
sikwate. Akong lola, igsuon sa akong tatay, na sila kakawan. Siya ang gagawa ng tabliya.
And then,
Pure na tabliya.
using the baterol.
Oh, using the baterol.
Really? Wow.
Pares bidbud o bibingka.
Going to Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.